Hey you guys, so we are back at CVS to go over deals for the second week of the CVS sales ad. We have some new deals with new digital coupons and rebates that we got, so I'm going to be going over those at the beginning of the video, and then I'll go over all the repeat deals at the end of the video. And I'm going to be doing a rolling extra bucks scenario, so if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll go over all my receipts with breaking down how I'm rolling extra bucks to get the lowest out of pocket as possible. I'll also be posting that video on my short form either on Monday or Tuesday, so watch out for that. We did get a new 10 out of 40 CRT, so even if you used it last week, we have another one that's going to be good this week, expiring on October 11th. So you can totally do another 10 out of 40 scenario. I'm going to show you guys a couple that we have going on with the coupons that are still valid for this week. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Getting into some new deals that we can do using our 10 off 40 hair care CRT. First, we have these Chi small size thermal sprays. They are $6.99 and these are participating in the buy two get back a $10 extra bucks. You can grab two for $13.98. You'd pay that, earn back your $10 extra buck, making it just $3.98 for two of them. And of course, cheaper using our 10 off 40. Another new deal that we have is on Garnier Whole Blends. They're on sale for $5.49. They're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two for $10.98 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $7.98. Getting back your $3 extra buck would make two $4.98. And again, cheaper using our 10 off 40 CRT. Tresemme hair care are buy two get back a $5 extra buck. So one option is grabbing the cheaper smaller size bottles at $6.49 at my store. Two of those would total $12.98. You use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, pay $7.98. Getting back your $5 extra buck would make two of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Another way that you can do it, depending on how much money you need to reach your $40 to use your 10 off 40 CRT, is grabbing two of the pump shampoo or conditioners. They are $7.99 each. Two would total $15.98. You could use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98. Getting back the $5 extra buck would make two of the larger size shampoos and conditioners just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And make sure to check your Fetch Rewards app. I had some different offers. Last week I had 1,000-point offers back on two, and then this week I had 2,000 points back when you buy one shampoo and one styling product. However, the styling products are not attaching to the 5 off 2 digital coupon, so just check what you have. And of course, Fetch will be linked in the description box and in the pinned comment down below. If you don't already have it, you definitely need Fetch Rewards for couponing deals, and you'll get a $2 bonus when you sign up with my link. Next, we have an absolutely amazing deal on Pantene. If you use Pantene, this is the week to pick these up. The smallest size bottles are $6.49 at my store. They're buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab two at $6.49, totaling $12.98, and use a 5 off 2 coupon 24 coupon. All you're going to do is make sure that you add the coupon to your coupon 24 account, and then at checkout, you're just going to scan the barcode just like you'd scan a paper coupon, and that should apply. You'd pay $7.98, get back your $5 extra buck, making two of them $2.98 or $1.49 each. And of course, you're going to want to throw this into your 10 off 40 scenario if you want to pick this up. Next, I want to go into two ways that you can do the Monday hair care deal. Monday hair care is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So the cheapest option is grabbing the leave-in conditioner. It's $5.99 online, so your store might be priced as low as $5.99, but in store, at my store, it's $6.49. So grabbing two would total $9.73. You can use the 3 off 2 digital coupon that we have, and you'd pay $6.73. Earning back your $4 extra buck would make two of them $2.73. Or a deal that you can do that more of you will probably have in stock at your store are the larger shampoos or conditioners. They're $8.99 at my store, so grabbing two of them with a BOGO 50% off sale would total $13.48. With the 3 off 2 digital, you pay $10.48, getting back your $4 extra buck, and that would make two of them just $6.48. And of course, we'd pair it in with our 10 off 40 hair care CRT. If you like Aussie hair care, you can grab two at $6.29. These are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck on the same promo as the Pantene. Two would total $12.58. You get back your $5 extra buck, making both of them just $7.58. Okay, getting into our 10 off 40 scenarios for this week. One option is grabbing two of the Monday shampoos or conditioners at $8.99 and buy one, get one 50% off. Two of the smaller Tresemmes at $6.49 each. My store only had one, but you grab two. And then two of the Chi travel size thermal sprays at $6.99 each. All six of these items would total $40.44, and you'd use your 10 off 40 CRT, the 3 off 2 digital for the Monday, the 5 off 2 digital for the Tresemme, and you'd be left to pay $22.44, but you get back a total of $19 in extra bucks. It'd be $10 for the Chi, $4 for the Monday, and $5 for the Tresemme. So that'd make your final cost for all six items just $3.44. Another option is grabbing 2 of the whole blends at $5.49, 2 of the Chi at $6.99, and 2 of the bigger size pump Tresemme for $7.99 each. And those 6 items would total $40.94. You'd use your 10 off 40 CRT again, the 3 off 2 for the whole blends, and the 5 off 2 for the Tresemme, and you'd be left to pay $22.94. And then you get back $18 in extra bucks in total from these 3 deals, making your final cost just $4.94. And another deal that you can do is grabbing 2 of the pump Tresemmes, 2 of the Monday, and 2 of the Pantene that are $6.49 each. And these 6 items would total $42.44. Use your 10 off 40 CRT, the 5 off 2 for the Tresemme, the 3 off 2 for the Monday, and the 5 off 2 coupon 24 coupon for the Pantene. And you'd be left to pay $19.44, but you get back a total of $14 in extra bucks back, making your final cost just $5.44. If you need Conair hair appliances like curlers, straighteners, blow dryers, you can grab one that's as close to $40 as possible. It just has to be above $40. So you could grab like that curling iron at $40.99, the straightener at $40.49, or this blow dryer that's $41.79. Grabbing the cheapest item, which would be the straightener, just as an example, it would be $40.49. You could use your 10 off 40 CRT and you'd be left to pay $30.49. And then these items are spend $40 before coupons and you earn back a $15 extra buck. So you'd pay $30.49, and after getting back the $15 extra buck, it would make it just $15.49. And if you have any percent off CRT, you can pair that in to make it even cheaper. Okay, so the Honest wipes are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So you could grab 2 of these smaller packs at $4.29, totaling $6.43. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 packs of wipes just $1.43. That is an awesome deal. I would definitely pick this up this week if your store has 2 in stock. Otherwise, you can grab some of the more expensive ones at $6.49. 2 of these would total $9.73. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make 2 of these just $4.73. Nivea body wash for the men's are buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck at $5.99. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $11.98, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $9.98, but then these are buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck. So after getting back that $7 extra buck, it makes 2 bottles of men's body wash just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Old Spice deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck. So you can grab 3 at $5.49 of the Old Spice Classics, and 3 would total $13.72. 2 would be full price and 1 would be half off. And then we have a 6 off 3 digital coupon. So you'd pay $7.72, get back your $2 extra buck, making all 3 deodorants just $5.72. Biotin are buy one, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab the small bottle at $5.79. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, making this just $2.79. Another body wash deal that we have is on Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. They're buy one, get one 40% off. So you can grab 1 of the Irish Spring at $7.59 and then 1 of the Soft Soap at $6.79. Those 2 would total $11.66 with the buy one, get one 40% off. And we have separate $2 digital coupons for the Irish Spring and for the Soft Soap. You'd be left to pay $7.66, and then you'd earn back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of these, making both bottles just $3.66 for 2. Neutrogena makeup wipes are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the 25 count at $6.99. 2 would total $13.98. You could use a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT if you have one. My accounts all get 5 off 20s, but I know a lot of people get 3 off 10s. And then we got a new 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $6.98 and then get back your $5 extra buck. And that would make 2 packs just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The 2 equals 6 and 3 equals 6 roll of Bounty paper towels are on sale for $7.99. So what you can do is do still 2 different ways depending on what coupons that you have. If on PG Brand Saver you have enough points for a $5 OTC payment, redeem for that, and then you can use the $1 digital coupon, and that would leave you to pay $6.99, and then the OTC payment would apply as a payment, giving you $5 off, making it just $1.99. Otherwise, if you don't have that reward, what you can do is open up your Coupon 24 app, and you should get a pop-up for linking your PG Brand Saver account to Coupon 24. I just entered the email from my PG Brand Saver account that I already had, and then it let me select a $5 coupon from a bunch of different brands, and I selected Bounty. And through some trial and error, I figured out that the $5 coupon from that reward redemption is working on the 3 equals 6 roll, not the 2 equals 6. So definitely pick that up. It would make it just $2.99 after the $5 Coupon 24 coupon. Next, let's get into a couple of spend $25, get back an $8 extra buck on P&G laundry products. You can grab one of the Tide liquid on sale for $14.99 and then one of the Gain liquids on sale for $9.99. And those two would total $14.98. And we have a $3 digital for the Tide liquid and a $2 digital for the Gain liquid. You'd be left to pay $19.98, getting back your $8 extra buck. And that would make two of these $11.98 for both. And of course, if you have it, use your $5 OTC payment coupon on this deal to make it even cheaper. Another way that you could do the deal is grabbing one of the Gain liquid at $9.99, one of the Gain beads at $9.99, and then one of the Tide Pods at $5.49, and those three would total $25.47. Use the $2 digital for the Gain liquid, the $2 digital for the Gain beads, and the $1.50 digital for the Tide Pods, and you'd be left to pay $19.97. Earning back your $8 extra buck would make all three products just $11.97. Select of the Swiffer refills are on sale for $10.99 each this week, and in the ad we were supposed to get a 10 off 2 digital, but we did not get that. Instead, we got a 5 off 2 digital. So you could grab two totaling $21.98, use that 5 off 2 digital, and you'd be left to pay $16.98 for two or just $8.49 each. Hopefully we do get that 10 off 2 digital either later this week or next Sunday so we can get the even better deal with the 10 off 2. The Crest Adult toothpaste are on sale for $8.99 and they're buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of the gum varieties for $8.99 and then one of the Brilliance varieties for $8.99. Two of those would total $17.98. And then what you can do is use a separate 4 off 1 digital coupon that we have for the Brilliance. We also have a separate $4 off for the gum as well. So you'd be left to pay $9.98, getting back your $5 extra buck, and that would make two of them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Another Crest deal that you can do is on the cheaper toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99 and they're buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab 3 totaling $11.97 and use a 5 off 3 digital coupon from the CVS app and you'd be left to pay $6.97. Earning back that $5 extra buck would make all 3 of them $1.97 or like 66 cents each. That's one way that you can do it. Another way that you can do it is using a 6 off 3 coupon 24 coupon, and using that it would make your final cost just 97 cents for 3. You can combine the 2 Crest deals together to make it an even better deal. So grab one of the Brilliance at $8.99, one of the gum at $8.99, and then 3 of the cheaper Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.99 each. And these 5 items would total $29.95. You can use a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, a $4 digital for the Brilliance, a $4 digital for the gum, and a 5 off 3 digital for the 3 cheaper Crest toothpaste, and you'd be left to pay $12.95. You get back a total of $10 in extra bucks, 5 for buying 2 of the Crest Adult toothpaste, and 5 for buying 3 of the cheaper toothpaste, and that would make all 5 toothpaste just $2.95. Just be careful when you're doing this deal. You'd want to scan the 2 Crest Adult toothpaste first, hit finish and pay, allow the 2 $4 digitals to attach to those, and then hit the back button, scan the 3 Crest cheaper toothpaste, and then that will force the 5 off 3 to attach to those, and then at that point your 4 off 20 would come off. The reason you wanted to do it that way is because the 5 off 3 digital also does attach to the more expensive toothpaste, so you want to force the system to apply the $4 digitals to the more expensive toothpaste and not allow the 5 off 3 to attach to the more expensive toothpaste, if that makes sense. Colgate Total products are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the 500 milliliter mouthwash at $5.79, and 2 of those would total $11.58. We have a 3 off 2 digital. You'd be left to pay $8.58, getting back the $5 extra buck would make 2 of these just $3.58. Nivea shave products are buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the shave gels at $5.79. 2 would total $11.58. You'd pay that, get back your $7 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on each of the shave gels, getting a total of $2.50 back, and that would make your final cost just $2.08 for both shave gels or $1.04 each. Just be careful because not all varieties are attaching to the Ibotta rebate. Okay, next up we have some Gillette and Venus shave deals. The regular razors, including the Gillette Fusion 5 for men's and the Comfort Glide for women's, are on sale for $9.99, and they are buy 2, get back an $8 extra buck. So grabbing one of the men's and one of the women's totals $19.98, and we do have separate $3 digital coupons for the women's and a $3 digital for the men's. You'd be left to pay $13.98, earning back that $8 extra buck, and that would make both razors just $5.98 or $2.99 each. We also have a deal on the Gillette and Venus disposables. They're on sale for $6.99 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. And I'm excited because the more expensive varieties are included, like the Mach 3 for men's and some of these different more expensive, like $11 Venus disposable packs. So make sure to pick the most expensive ones for the best value. Two of those would total $13.98. We have a separate $3 digital for the Gillette men's disposable and for the women's. And you'd be left to pay $7.98, earning back the $3 extra buck. And that would make these two packs $4.98 or $2.49 each. Next, we have a really great deal on YWEKTYQ. They are buy one, get one 50% off and buy two, get back a $2 extra buck. So we all know what deal we're going to do on the small size liners. They are $2.49 at my store. So grabbing two would total $3.73. You'd pay that, earn back your $2 extra buck, and that would make two of these liners just $1.73. Next, we have a deal on CVS Health bandages. They're buy two, get back a $5 extra buck, and included are the cheaper ones priced at $3.99. So grab two totaling $7.98. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making two of these $2.98 or $1.49 each. And keep in mind, if you have Extra Care Plus, you also get 20% off on these items, so it'd make it cheaper. The Dulcolax products are buy one, get back a $4 extra buck. The cheapest ones at my store are these overnights at $10.29. So you can grab that and use a $3 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $7.29, and then you'd earn back your $4 extra buck, and that would make this just $3.29, and we don't often see really good deals on these products. I wanted to explain the Coupon 24 checkout process really quick. So what I did for the Bounty using my $5 Coupon 24 coupon is I scanned the Bounty first, did not scan my Extra Care card, then I scanned my Coupon 24 barcode, had the $5 off apply after hitting finish and pay, and then I hit the back button, scan my Extra Care card, which gave me the sale price of $7.99, and then that led to me paying just $2.99 for these paper towels. So if you're ever having issues at self-checkout, just scan the item, scan the Coupon 24 barcode, and then hit back and scan your Extra Care card information, and then that has everything come off with no issues. And I did not use the QR code, I used the regular barcode, and it worked fine at self-checkout. You guys, so here's my receipt for that Bounty transaction using the $5 Coupon 24 pop-up coupon for linking my PG Brand Saver account. Like I just explained, the order that I did is I scanned the product, did not scan my Extra Care card or enter in my phone number. I scanned my Coupon 24 barcode, let that coupon apply after hitting finish and pay, and then I went back and scanned my Extra Care card information, and then that dropped it to the sale price of $7.99, and that made it just $2.99. All right, and then next I did my 10 off 40 hair care transaction, and this was the start of the rolling extra bucks. I did 3 rolling extra bucks transactions. So this first one was with the hair care. So I did the Whole Blends, the Chi, and then the Tresemme. My Tresemme digital and Whole Blends digital came off along with my 10 off 40. And then I used $12 in extra bucks to pay. That's all I had on this account. Paid about like $11 out of pocket. So $23 between extra bucks and cash out of pocket. If you were to not have any extra bucks, you'd pay about $23 out of pocket in cash, and then you get back $18 in extra bucks. It was 10 for the Chi, 5 for the Tresemme, and 3 for the Garnier Whole Blends. So that made this transaction just a net cost of about $5, a little under $5, and then I'm rolling my $18 in extra bucks into my next transaction. All right, and then rolling extra bucks transaction number 2, we did the spend 25, get 8 on P&G laundry, and for that I did the Tide detergent and the Gain liquid detergent, and my $3 digital for the Tide and $2 for the Gain came off. I used the $18 in extra bucks from transaction 1 and had about a $2 subtotal. So in total, net cost was $20 out of pocket between extra bucks and cash, and then got back an $8 extra buck. So it was a net cost of $12 for this transaction. In total, if you calculate cash and extra bucks spent minus extra bucks gotten back. But in reality, I just paid about $2 out of pocket because I was rolling my extra bucks from transaction 1. And finally, my third and final rolling extra bucks transaction, I did the Honest wipes. I did one of the more expensive ones at $6.49 and one of the cheaper ones at $4.29. And then I used my $8 in extra bucks from the P&G laundry transaction and paid just 63 cents. So in total, it was like $8.63 out of pocket, got back the $5 extra buck for buying 2 of these, making the net cost just about $3 and some change. So really good rolling extra bucks scenario this week. It ended up being a net cost of like $20 for the hair care scenario, the Honest wipes, and the P&G laundry. So really, really great rolling transaction. I'll be posting that shortened breakdown on my short form, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, on Monday or Tuesday. So look out for that. But if you want it in advance, here it is. It's my rolling transaction. You guys on YouTube always get it sooner on Sunday. I really hope you guys enjoyed this second week of the CVS ad video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment. You can comment your favorite deal of the week or what you're doing for your 10 off 40 scenario this week. And I will catch you guys in my live stream next Saturday going over the new deals where we're going to prep our Google Doc. And I will catch you guys next week, next Sunday, for a new CVS 2-week ad deals video.